Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this new 2020 Coachmen Catalina. It's a 323 bunkhouse. It's got the big storage area in the back. It's got a big outside kitchen. We'll show you that here in a little bit. Let's start on the inside and we'll finish up on the outside. The inside has a very large slide out that includes your nice sofa that will come out into a tri-fold bed over there so it can sleep two adults comfortably. And you have a nice big U-shaped booth dinette too as well. Storage over the couch. You've got your lighter cabinetry this year, which is real nice. It's got the kind of counters that are really nice. They're recessed in there under counter sink. I love these little faucets. They're really handy to have. They work really well. And then you've got your glass top on the stove top, which is also a real nice feature. Everything's really easy to get to. Also a nice feature is in the bathroom is that you can get to that when your slide outs are in. You can come in and use the restroom, and also if you have a lot of traffic out there, a lot of foot traffic, it's nice to keep them from going right through your kitchen area in here so they can get right in and out of the bathroom that way. In the back area, it does have that additional slide room in here, which includes this lower type of futon setup here for making into also another nice big bed. And then you have this little flip up bed as well too, so it can store that way in the event you want some headroom when you're sitting down reading and the kids and stuff down there. I like the nice cushions on here they put. You see they use plywood as opposed to oriented strand boards. A little bit better in the long run. You also have a little bit bigger bed on this side, which is going to be wider and I think lengthwise and all that, also a little bit longer too. So you have a place here you can put for entertaining, and then you can put a TV in there for the kids. You have a little more storage on this side and also underneath the counter. Then you have this little fold away ladder for gaining access up for the up top bunk up there. And also you saw there was some nice closet anyway. The camera guy maybe can't see that, but it's a deep closet in there, and then some more storage in there for towels and for clothes down below. Again, it has a solid pocket door for sound deadening there. And then in the kitchen area, there is all this space here. It's real nice to have as well too. And then as we go around, you see a fireplace. Fireplace is going to be supplemental heat. You have your furnace, of course, down on the floor. You have your air conditioning up in the ceiling. This is kind of nice to have some supplemental heat if you're at a park somewhere, you're paying for your night stay, you might as well get that working instead of burning your propane. You got your TV entertainment center here that'll play your DVD movies and such. Privacy master has that nice doorway in there, and you've got your RV queen storage overhead here on both sides, and nice shirt closets there and places to set things next to your each side of the bed there as well. So again, nice tall ceilings in here. I'm 6'2" or so. You can see there's lots of plenty of room there. All your controls are up higher here as opposed to being low, so some of the kids can't easily get to it. It does have the solid step that you go in and out of your main entrance here. And then the regular step there. You do also have a nice big patio awning that covers both the doors. So that's a nice feature as well too. And then as we get down towards the back end over here, you are going to have this nice big large area for cooking in. So it's got a big large refrigerator. It's got the slide out burner there on the left. It uses little green bottles. Lots of overhead storage, hot and cold water there in the sink, and some other drawers for storage as well too. Heavy duty scissor jacks at all four corners. It does have pre-wiring for a backup camera, another nice feature to have in the event you need that. We sell those packages that are real nice for Wi-Fi cameras and stuff like that. Your outside shower here and your plug-ins, place there to kind of set that. And you actually have a little bit of a cove in here if you want to for shower. Makes it kind of nice too for privacy. Your power cord there, and then of course it goes all the way through. So you have plenty of room in there for storage as well. Room for 2 batteries, and it does have the upsized tanks to dual 7 gallons. And then your power tongue jack with the light on there as well too. Coachmen builds their front end with this metal piece here that runs through and overlaps there. So I like that for extra curvature, for a little bit less wind drag, and also it lasts real well and maintains its shape. Some of the fiberglass ones can kind of bend and get a little bit twisted from the wind. So I like the way that Coachmen does this. At Guarantee here, we've been around for about 53 years almost now. I've been here about 28 of those. My name's Tom Peterson. You'll see a number at the end of the video, so if you have any questions after watching this, please don't hesitate. get on the phone, give me a call, and we'll talk some more about what we have here at Guarantee. So remember, every time that you think about RVs, think about Guarantee, because it's an RV show every day.